Righto, well at lunchtime today the builders departed. We've just got the bloke fitting the CCTV to the front of the house. So I just thought I'd show you all some of the detail. Check out the drains and the brickwork, all beautifully finished off. There's the rose bush through there. Here's the front of the house, soon back. Looking good. Loving the way the drains are all finished off. The grass will grow back, of course. There's the front aspect. Could not be happier. Might just have to tidy up that cable there, that's all. It's for the telly, I think. Beautiful brickwork they've done down along the bottom here. They've put the post, the letterbox back on the front of the door today. Finished off these bits of drain. All looking good. Whoops, out to the garden. And then there's the back of the house. So it's all looking tickety-boo. We're very pleased with the newly renovated Thatch Manor. Ta-da!